Baby, this is for you. Would you like to open it? You ready? What do you think it is? You think it's a book? Ready? One more. Oh, look at that. What is that? That's your favorite stuff in the world. Oh, there's bubble wrap. Yes. What is it? Oh, it looks like a scarf. You wear that around your neck. Keep you warm. Put it around your neck. That's exactly what you do. And you got this one. Turn it around. It's a hair set for your hair. It's for your crazy hair.
All right, pal. I've been waiting all summer for this. What do you got planned?
Here's one more.
Mom.
Oh, you got like a camera and a bag and something else. You guys share that stuff with your sister, okay? That's it. There's nothing else. How's that? Do you like your presents? That's from Aunt Amy. Yeah, Aunt Amy. There's nothing else, honey. Mommy will take care of the trash.